In Excel, we can use the Countif function in order to count the number of items that meet a certain criteria. For example, I can use the Countif to count the number of letter grades or students that made A's in my class. The Countif will look at it this way. It will say if the grade is an A, it will add the number or add 1 to the count of A's. Otherwise, it will just go to the next row and evaluate the comparison until it runs out of values. Now, the comparison here is if grade is equal to A. The criteria we are looking for is the letter grade A in order to count the A's in the class. Okay, so let's go to this example. I have my students and the classification for each student. This first example, we want to find the number of seniors in the class. I'll use the Countif. There are 2 items to complete, the criteria and the range. So let's just start with the criteria. The criteria is how we want to limit the number of items that we count. In this case, we only want seniors. So I can't type the word seniors here because it will not find that in the classification column. The criteria I need to use is SR for seniors because that's what's in the data. Now, where will I find this value? I will find it here in column C. And in this case, it finds 5 seniors in the class. Let's just do the same thing for freshmen. Again, our criteria, and the first one was seniors. This time it's going to be freshmen. So we'll use FR because that's the value in the data. And the range will be column C. So there are 7 freshmen. Let's do one more, the number of grades that are A's, as in our example before. Okay, so in this case, we are looking at the number of A's, and our grade column is here in column K. So I'm going to go ahead and just say that we want an A, and where will we find the values that contain A's? That's going to be our final grade column here. So it finds that 5 students made A's.